Let's fill out the Montana Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the whole identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Welcome to this quick guide on selling or buying a boat in Montana. When it comes to the bill of sale, Montana requires you to use Form MV24AB. This is the official form you will need to complete for the transaction. If your boat has a lien on it, meaning there is an outstanding loan, that lien must be fully paid off before the sale. And a lien holder release will be required to clear that lien from the motor vehicle record. For title transfer, you will need to use Form MV54. This is how ownership officially moves from the seller to the buyer in Montana. Now, when it comes to signatures, Montana requires an e-signature for this process. If notarization is needed, that is handled through Form MV24. And just a note on vehicle identification. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.